Hi, I'm Rob Steinke and this is my Harness Maker's Workshop. Now, although it says Harness Maker, I also do saddlery. So I'm going to show you this lovely old saddle, but the girth straps have gone on it. You can see up close, that one's gone, that one is a bit missing somewhere, and this one is just about to go. So I'm going to put my glasses on, I need it for this work. I'm going to show you the stages of putting on a new girth strap. That's lovely strong, you can see the thickness of it. It's out of harness hide. So come along, I'm going to drop the camera down a little bit so you can see. There we are. Now, a head knife. It's like half a knife. It's lovely for getting into tight corners. So first of all, I've slit this before the stitching, but I go around with the knife, cut all the stitching, and then, hey presto, the padding of the saddle comes away. I can then turn it over. Now I've put one of the new straps on. There you can see there the black one. I'm going to put the next one on. So I'm going to move a bit closer up to the camera so you can see. Now, I hate it when they're making new saddles, they machine the girth straps onto webs. I like hand stitching. So I'll take some thread. This is linen thread. And to waterproof it and keep it all together, I run it through a piece of beeswax. That will help to waterproof it and preserve its life. There we are. And then, hope this thread's first time, I shall thread it onto, yep, that's why I need my glasses for this. Do you know, when I was at school, primary school, under 10, the teacher said to my mother, I was the best, she's a funny lady, she'd, lovely teacher, she would, I'm just tying a knot in the end of it, talking while I'm doing this. She encouraged the boys to do needlework and she said I was better than all the girls at needlework. My dad said, oh, what on earth is he going to earn a living? How can he do that doing needlework? Now, all these years later. So, needle is blunt. That, as I've said before, is incredibly sharp. So, I'm just going to make the hole on this webbing, stitch through, and I'm using the heavy duty harness thread as well. So stitch through that. I might cut a bit of this out in the middle just to speed things up a bit. Yeah. There's other parts that need doing to this saddle, but for this video we'll just concentrate on the girth straps. It's a common repair that you need, and most important because of course it holds the girth onto the saddle. So come here you, that's it. Oops, come here, get you out of the way, that's it. And you stay there, that's better. So, yes, I normally make driving harness, but I still have a repair side, and I'll be bringing you different repairs and new work for the driving harness. So, you see, I'm just using one needle, double thread, double thickness, and that will go all the way up to here, and then down the other side, and that will hold the, should last the life of the girth strap. if you hear any horses coming over the sound, my workshop is at Shawle Equestrian Centre, and there'll be riding lessons this afternoon, and you can often hear the horses getting excited when they're getting tacked up and knowing they're going out to work. Now, I'm going to bring this even closer now so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So let me bring the, as you can see, I work this camera on my own. There's the stitching coming up, and if I do it that way you can see the stitching. Can you see it there taking place? Nice big stitches, you don't want too smaller ones on the girth strap. And then you've got double thickness harness thread coated in beeswax, so that'll give it a good life. If there's anything you'd like me to cover in the videos, drop me a line, put it in the comment column. Rob, you're getting past it. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you'd like to see more of these, then a tick would be appreciated. And also, as you don't want to miss anything, if you tick on the subscribe box, you will get notice of when there is fresh videos, and it'll help me to keep track of what is asked for by the viewers. So there we are. I'll just tie a knot at the end. And anything that stands proud, which my phrase stands out, is likely to wear. So what I do is I have this, it's a lovely tool, it's for doing the padding on the panel, but it works well like this. I'm going to flatten all the stitches so there's no hard edges underneath it, and it's smooth, and that'll make it last longer. So once that's on, I can turn him round. I often say putting his hands back in his pockets. That'll slip onto there. That one will go on the other side. Come here, yeah, that's it. And then I will use the awl and stitch straight through to join the panel up to the top of the saddle. So I hope that's given you a bit of an insight. Let's lift that up again now. There. Hope it's given you a bit of an insight into the other work that I do here in the workshop. So it's been great having you here. So please come again. And as I say, if you like something or want something, just give a little comment, okay? Look forward to seeing you again. Cheerio.